my dear students, I am Amandeep Kaur. We were on chapter 7 Geometry and this is the fourth video lecture of chapter Geometry. Today's topic is circle and its parts. Parts of the circle are circumference, radius, diameter, chord, interior and exterior part of circle and semicircle. So let's start. First of all, you must know the definition of circle. What is circle? A circle is a round two-dimensional shape. All the points on the edge of the circle are at the same distance from the center. So you can see example of a circle. So that plate is circular shape. These bangles are of circular shape. So next question arises, is a circle a polygon? So answer is no. A circle is not a polygon. So what is polygon? A polygon is a closed figure made up of three or more than three line segments that do not cross each other. You can see here circle do not contain any line segment. Circle is a curved surface. So answer is no. Circle is not a polygon. Next, parts of the circle. First part is circumference. So what is circumference? Circumference is the distance around the circle. You can see this is the circle and you can see dark color, dark purple color is the circumference of the circle. Next is radius. So what is the radius of the circle? The distance between the center and any point taken on the circle, that is called the radius of the circle. So this is the center A of the circle. Center of the circle is represented by point A and any point B taken on the circle and center and that point on the circle joined through a line segment, that is called the radius of the circle. So AB is the radius of the circle here. Next is diameter. What is diameter? The line passing through the center joining any 2 points on the circumference is called the diameter of the circle. So see here 2 points A and B lies on the circle and these 2 points join through a line segment and that line passes through center O. So AB is the diameter of the circle. Next part of the circle is chord. What is chord? The distance between one point of the circumference to the another point of the circumference is called chord. So you can see any point L and M taken on the circle and these 2 points join with each other through a line segment, that is a chord. So you can see here chord do not pass through the center of the circle. Next part of the circle is arc. What is an arc? A part of the circumference is called an arc. You can see here ABC is a part of circle. So 3 points taken on the circle, so that is called as an arc. So ABC is an arc. We can denote it as ABC and upside ABC and we can upright use a symbol of arc. This is an arc. So next is interior and exterior of the circle. What is interior part of circle? The area enclosed by the circumference is the interior of the circle and exterior part of the circle is the area outside the circumference is the exterior of the circle. You can see here in that figure point DOXP. these points lies inside the circle. So that is the interior of the circle. So see outside B, A, M, N, these points lying outside the circle. So that is the exterior of the circle. So next is semicircle. 2 points which divides a circle into 2 equal arcs is called a semicircle. We can say each of the arc is called semicircle. So see with an example. So AB is a line segment passes through the center of the circle. Even we call it as diameter. So this line divides a circle into 2 equal parts. So these 2 parts are the 2 semicircle. Now let's take a quick recap. So in this chapter you have covered point, basic things. First is point. A point shows fixed location. Next you have read a line. It has no beginning, no ending. A line segment is a part of line. It has 2 endpoints. A ray is a part of line. It has 1 endpoint and goes endlessly in any direction. In second video you have seen collinear points. 3 or more points which lies in a straight line are called collinear points. A plane is a flat surface that extends endlessly in or indefinitely in all the direction. Third topic was angle. What is angle? 2 rays with a common endpoint form an angle. And after that you have done types of angle. So first is acute angle. Angle more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called acute angle. So third is right angle. Right angle whose exactly measure is equals to 90 degree. Obtuse angle whose measure is less than 180 degree but more than 90 degree. So next is straight angle. Straight angle whose exact measure is 180 degree. Next is reflex angle, more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Last but not the least, complete angle. Complete angle is equals to 360 degree around a circle. In the third video you have seen coplanar lines. Two lines lying in the same plane are called coplanar lines. Next, parallel lines never touch each other. 2 lines never touch each other are called parallel lines. Perpendicular lines cross each other but with the formation of 90 degree angle. Intersecting lines always cross each other but do not make 90 degree angle. Next, in this video you have seen circle and parts of the circle. So relationship between diameter and radius of the circle. Diameter of the circle is always double the radius of the circle. Thanks.